everyone, welcome to On Account Consultant. I'm Kiran Bisht and you're watching the series of tutorial that will help you know the basic accounting terms. By watching my video, you will learn everything you need to know about accounts, starting from basic to advanced accounting. In this video, you will learn who is debtor and who is creditor. What do you mean by bad debts? So, let's learn. First of all, let me tell you, debtor and creditor arise of credit transaction, which means money has not been paid or received at a time of transaction, but it will be paid at later date. Coming to who is debtor and who is creditor. Debtor is a person who has to pay money to the person or a company for goods purchased, whereas creditor is a person who has to receive money from a person or a company for goods sold. To know whether a person or a company is a debtor or creditor in your books of account, you simply need to know who owes money to whom. You may be thinking, what does owe mean? Owe means nothing but an obligation or a duty of a person to pay or repay in return for something received. Obligation may be from entry into contract or by act of a conduct. The moment you receive good or use service, it creates an obligation on you to pay for it if it is not for free. So, if a person owes to you, he is your debtor, whereas if you owe to him, then he is your creditor. Let's take an example. In this example, you purchase a good on credit from Sachin. Hence, you owe money to Sachin. So, who is he? Look at the similar situation. By now you know Sachin is your creditor, whom you have to pay. Another example where you sold goods on credit to Rahul. Hence, Rahul owes money to you. So who is he? Look at a similar situation. By now you know Rahul is your debtor, who have to pay you. The easiest way to identify who is debtor or creditor in your books of account is to remember that all your credit purchase transaction consist of creditor, whereas all your credit sale transaction consists of debtor. Talking more about debtor, we often find that there are always few debtor who don't pay back your money, even after a constant reminder, and that too not in full amount. Remember the famous dialogue, Rahul is a cheater, Rahul is a cheater. Well, in here our example, Rahul is a debtor, from whom we had to receive the amount of goods sold, but only part amount is received from him. Since we have already recorded full amount for goods sold on credit against debtor, that is Rahul, the unpaid amount need to be write off from books of account by treating it as bad debts. Bad debts, it is an unpaid amount that will not be received from debtor. In simple word, bad debts are irrecoverable amounts from debtor. It is a revenue loss to business. So, I hope by now you have come to know who is debtor and who is creditor and what do you mean by bad debts. In my upcoming video, you will learn more about other accounting terms used in business and books of account. So kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.